Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I hope you are all doing very well. Friends, today this recipe is prawns kebab fry. So it is I have prepared with simple ingredients which is available in the kitchen. So let's go for the how to cook. We will check. So here I have taken almost 1 kg medium size of prawns which is cleaned, and also I have used turmeric to wash it very well and make sure it doesn't have much water. So friends, this is I'm serving in a bowl to marinate. So I'm gonna add the salt as per the taste, then lemon juice, like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then ginger garlic juice I'm taking it. If you wish, you can even have paste as well, ginger garlic paste. And this is kebab powder which is available everywhere in the supermarket. You can use the same thing. And turmeric, and then chili powder, almost 1.5 tablespoon, cornstarch. So this much is enough to get the good taste of this prawns kebab. So mix it very well finely. I'm using my hand. If you wish, you can use your gloves, whatever like you're comfortable with it, you can try with that. For me, I always prefer using my hands to marinate. So this is perfectly done. So the marination looks like really delicious. So this once the marination is done, this we gonna rest in fridge for 30 minutes for the better taste, like to get that exactly the kebab taste. So I'm gonna keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So friends, after 30 minutes, this is how the prawns kebab looks like. So this is perfectly marinated, and the prawns are holding the masalas very finely. So this is perfect to fry in the pan. So here I'm using olive oil to fry, so and in a low flame. So I'm using this kind of grill pan to fry it. So you can use any kind of pans to fry this to get that kebab taste. If you even using more oil, it's your wish, but I prefer to use little bit of kind of shallow fry, so that I don't want to add so much of oil, because this is a prawns and it doesn't take much time to cook. It takes only little time, so no need to use like so much oil and fry. And I'm using low flame as well. So once you have placed this prawns on on this tawa, you can slightly move the pan here and there so that it cooks perfectly. Then once one side is done, you can gently turn it other side, so it will not stick to the pan. It comes very finely when we are turning other side. You can see that. So this is done. I'm gonna turn it other side. So friends, this is really very nice to see this. So when it is both sides are done, so it's ready to remove it. If you feel like you want little bit of crispy, you can give it you can cook it for you can fry it for another 1 minute or 2 minutes, so then it becomes crispy. So for me this much is perfect. So I'm gonna remove all this, whatever is done, I'm gonna remove it and then show you again. So friends, today's motivation is every day is beautiful day, so you can go after your dream. So don't forget this. If you have a dream, then it's your time to go after your days to achieve your dream. So friends, this is how it looks like after frying everything. It was really delicious and my family liked it and they were super happy to try once more. So if you like the video, do support me, like the video, subscribe to my channel and do support me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.